Guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to do 40 multiple choice questions in the Indian economy, and these questions are based on the chapter that is money and banking system in India, and we will cover this chapter in 4 to 5 sessions, and every session will be having 40 MCQs. So if any person visit this channel for the first time, so you can subscribe the channel, and if you subscribe then don't forget to hit the bell icon also. So let us start our questions. The first question is, SIDBI has been set up to. SIDBI stands for Small Industries Development Bank of India, and the headquarters of SIDBI located in Lucknow. So in this question you have to tell that what is the main function of SIDBI. So your A option is provide finance to multinational companies. B option is to provide finance to MSMEs. यहाँ पर थोड़ी spelling mistake है, MSMEs आएगा. C option is to provide finance to large scale industries, and D option is to provide finance to public sector undertaking. The right answer is option B, that is the SIDBI has set up to provide finances to the MSMEs, right? Next question is, the meaning of a company limited by share is. A option is limited sum invested, B option is limited number of holders, C option is limited liabilities of the holders, and D option is all of the above. The right answer is option C, that is limited liability of the holders. Next question is, when did the new paisa become paisa with the decimal system of currency? A option is 1st April 1957, B option is 1st April 1965, C option is 1st June 1964, and the last option is 2nd October 1961. The right answer is option C, that is 1st June 1964. Next question is, the decimal system of currency was started in India in which year? A option is 1951, B option is 1955, C option is 1957, and D option is 1960. The right answer is option C, that is 1957, and the complete date was 1st April 1957. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is not a part of the Indian currency trading? A option is IDBI, B option is ICICI, C option is Currency Trading Corporation Fund, and D option is Reserve Bank of India. The right answer is option C, that is Currency Trading Corporation Fund is not a part of Indian currency trading. Next question is, the Industrial Finance Corporation of India, that is IFCI, works as. आप थोड़ा सा जो है इनकी फुल फॉर्म पर भी ध्यान दीजिएगा, बिकॉज समटाइम्स जो है एग्जामिनर के द्वारा इनकी फुल फॉर्म्स को भी एज इट इज पूछ लिया जाता है पेपर में, राइट? So your A option is a commercial bank, B option is a development bank, C option is an industrial bank, and D option is none of the above. The right answer is option B, that is IFCI works as a development bank. So option B will be the right answer. Next question is, which of the following does not implement the self-help group bank linkage program? A option is NABARD, B is commercial banks, C option is RRBs, and D option is cooperative bank. The right answer is option A, that is NABARD, that is National Agriculture Bank for Rural Development. Next question is, which of the following is not a function of the regional rural banks, that is RRB? A option is to provide credit to small and marginal farmers, B option is to provide credit to ordinary people in rural areas, C option is to supplement scheduled commercial banks, and D option is to take over the function of the Agriculture Refinancing Corporation of India. So the right answer is option D, that is to take over the function of the Agriculture Refinancing Corporation of India. This one is not the function of RRB banks. Next question is, which of the following events was the first to take place in the context of the Indian economy? A option is nationalization of insurance companies, B option is nationalization of the State Bank of India, C option is enactment of the Banking Regulation Act, and D option is beginning of the first 5-year plan. So the right answer is option C, that is enactment of the Banking Regulation Act, and Banking Regulation Act enacted in the year 1949. Okay, the year is also important, so इसको भी याद रखिएगा. Next question is, which of the following is not an instrument of selective credit control in India? This question is very important. So your A option is regulation of consumer credit, B option is rationing of credit, C option is margin requirement, and D option is variable cash reserve ratio. So the right answer is option D, that is variable cash reserve ratio. This instrument is not under the selective credit control system in India. Actually जो credit control system है इंडिया में वो दो तरह के हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज द क्वालिटेटिव और सिलेक्टिव मेथड्स. इसके अंडर जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट आते हैं वो 6 तरह के हैं. आप इनको देख लीजिए वीडियो को पॉज करके. एंड द जो सेकंड मेथड है फॉर द क्रेडिट कंट्रोल वो है क्वांटिटेटिव और उसको जनरल मेथड भी कहा जाता है. राइट. सो मेरा आपको सजेशन रहेगा क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है और ऑप्शंस को घुमा फिरा के पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में. तो आप ऐसा कीजिए, आप सिर्फ जो है जो क्वांटिटेटिव और जनरल मेथड के जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट हैं क्रेडिट कंट्रोल के उनको याद रखिए. यहाँ पर सिर्फ 3 हैं, दैट इज बैंक रेट, ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशन दैट इज OMO एंड वेरिएबल कैश रिजर्व रेशियो. राइट. तो इसके अलावा जो भी बचेंगे वो आएंगे आपके सिलेक्टिव क्रेडिट कंट्रोल मेथड के अंडर. राइट. तो ये इजी रहेगा आपको याद रखने के लिए. सो इसको अच्छे से याद रखिएगा. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन इंडिया NABARD डज नॉट प्रोवाइड रीफाइनेंसिंग फैसिलिटी टू. NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development and the headquarter of NABARD located in Mumbai. और आपको इसकी establishment date भी याद रखनी है, that is 12th July 1982. All these points are important. तो अब यहाँ पर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए ऑप्शन को देखिए, that is scheduled commercial banks. B is regional rural banks. C option is export import banks and D option is state and development banks. The right answer is option C, that is export import banks को जो है जो फाइनेंस फैसिलिटी है वो NABARD प्रोवाइड नहीं करता. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच करेक्टली लिस्ट 1 विद लिस्ट 2 एंड सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन बिलो द लिस्ट. अगर इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा तो वहां पर आपको 4 कोड दिए होंगे इस क्वेश्चन के नीचे और आपको एक पिकअप करना है. यहाँ पर जो है लिस्ट ए में कुछ इंस्टीट्यूशन फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन देके रखे हुए हैं और लिस्ट 2 में जो है लिस्ट बी में जो है ईयर ऑफ इनकी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट दी हुई है. तो आपको इनको आपस में मैच करना है. सो ये भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. सिडबी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इसकी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट डेट काफी अच्छे से याद रखिएगा जो है 1990. इसका थर्ड के साथ पेयर बनेगा. राइट. और बाकी को भी आप देख लीजिए. ICIC का आप याद रख सकते हो पर जहां तक मैंने देखा है तो सिडबी का मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो है एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. राइट. सो आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो कि जो ICIC की एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुई थी वो हुई थी इन द ईयर 1955. इसका पेयर जो है फोर्थ के साथ बनेगा. एंड IDBI दैट इज इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. एंड लिसन गाइस, द फुल फॉर्म्स आर आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इनको भी जो है याद रखिएगा. इसकी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुई थी 1964 में. एंड इंडस्ट्रियल फाइनेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन सेटअप इन द ईयर 1948. इसका पेयर जो है सेकंड वन के साथ आएगा और सिडबी का जो है थर्ड के साथ, दैट इज 1990. और सिडबी का हेडक्वार्टर भी याद रखना है, इट इज इन लखनऊ उत्तर प्रदेश. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इंडियाज बिगेस्ट कमर्शियल बैंक इज. ए ऑप्शन इज NABARD, बी इज स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, सी ऑप्शन इज ICI एंड डी ऑप्शन इज यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज SBI. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द बेसिस फॉर मेजरिंग द रेट ऑफ द इन्फ्लेशन इन इंडिया. A option is consumer price index, B option is wholesale price index, C option is living cost index for workers and D option is all of the above. So the right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is which of the following price indices is used to compensate the wages of the employees of the central government. A option is wholesale price index, B option is consumer price index for industrial workers, C option is consumer price index for agricultural workers and D option is none of the above. The right answer is option B, that is consumer price index for industrial workers. Next question is who among the following benefits most during inflation. A option is lender, B is debtor, C option is holder of saving accounts and D option is government pensioners. The right answer is option B, that is debtors. Next question is inflation causes. A option is increase in the prices of goods, B option is fall in the value of currency, C option is improvement in the rate of exchange and D option is A and B, means both. The right answer is option D, that is both A and B will be the right answer. Next question is the basis for determining dearness allowances for employees in India is. A option is national income, B is consumer price index, C option is lifestyle and D option is per capita income. The right answer is option B, that is consumer price index, that is CPI. Next question is S&P 500 is related to. A option is supercomputers, B option is a new e-commerce technique, C option is a new bridge construction technique, and D option is stock indices of large companies. The right answer is option D, that is stock indices of large companies. Next question is, which among the following regulate the commodity market in India? First is the SBI, second one is the SEBI, and third one is the Forward Market Commission. You have to choose the correct code given below. Here are 4 codes. So the right answer is option C, that is third only. It means Forward Market Commission regulate the commodity market in India, right? Next question is, payment banks are being set up in India with a view to promote financial inclusion. Which of the following statement is or are correct about the payment bank? So your first statement is, here are 3 statements. First one is the mobile companies and supermarket chains are owned by the Indians are eligible to become promoters of payments bank. Second one is the payment banks can issue both credit card and debit card. And third statement is the payment banks cannot engage in lending activities. You have to choose the correct code given below to tell which statements are correct about the payments bank. So the right answer is option B, that is 1 and 3rd are correct about the payment banks, right? It means payment banks can issue only the credit card but not the debit card, right? Next question is, Phillips curve denotes a relation between A option is deflation and unemployment, B option is inflation and unemployment, C option is inflation and hidden unemployment, and D option is deflation and cyclic unemployment. The right answer is option B, that is inflation and unemployment. Next question is, what is called plastic money? A option is paper currency, B option is credit card, C option is discount coupon, and D option is shares. The right answer is option B, that is credit card is an example of a plastic money. Next question is, where is the headquarters of the National Stock Exchange, that is NSE of India situated? A option is Mumbai, B is Kolkata, C option is Delhi, and D option is Ahmedabad. The right answer is option A, that is Mumbai. Both National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange in दोनों का headquarter located in Mumbai, right? Next question is, which Indian commercial bank started the first mobile ATM service? A option is ICICI, B option is IDBI, C option is SBFC, and last option is SBI Bank. The right answer is option A, that is ICICI Bank. Next question is, which of the following is a public sector commercial bank? A option is ICICI Bank, B is HDFC Bank, C option is Indian Overseas Bank, and D option is UTI Bank. So the right answer is option C, that is Indian Overseas Bank. This one is the only public sector bank and the remaining are the private sector bank. Next question is, gilt-edged market is associated with A option is the bullion market, B is government securities market, C option is gun market, and D option is market of pure metals. The right answer is option B, that is government securities market. Next question is, which of the following banks is the first to open its branch in China? A option is Bank of Baroda, B is Punjab National Bank, C option is State Bank of India, and D option is UCO Bank. The right answer is option C, that is State Bank of India is the first public bank to open its branch in China. Next question is, which of the following banks is a private bank? Very easy one. So try to guess the right answer. A option is Allahabad Bank, B is Punjab and Sindh Bank, C option is HDFC Bank, and D option is Punjab National Bank. So the right answer is option C, that is HDFC Bank. Next question is, what is Nikkei? A option is Japan's foreign exchange market, B option is the Japanese name of the country's planning commission, C option is name of Japan's central bank, and D option is the share prices index of Tokyo. So the Nikkei is the share price index of Tokyo. जैसे कि इंडिया में निफ्टी एंड सेंसेक्स रहता है, सो उसी तरह जो है जापान की इकोनॉमी में जो है नाइके यूज होता है, राइट? सो ऑप्शन डी विल बी द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बैंक्स हैज स्टार्टेड द सिंपली क्लिक सिस्टम? ए ऑप्शन इज IDBI, बी ऑप्शन इज ICICI, सी ऑप्शन इज BOB, that is Bank of Baroda, and D option is SBI. The right answer is option D, that is SBI. Next question is, which of the following is not a nationalized bank? A option is Bank of Baroda, B is Canara Bank, C option is ICICI Bank, and D option is Punjab National Bank. Very easy. So the right answer is option C, that is ICICI Bank. Next question is, which of the following is not a speculator in the share market? A option is the bull, B is the bear, C option is the broker, and D option is the stag. The right answer is option C, that is the broker. Next question is, which of the following private bank is the first to open its branch in China? हमने प्रीवियस ये क्वेश्चन किया, वहां पर हमने पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक देखा था जो कि SBI था. यहाँ पर पूछा जा रहा है प्राइवेट बैंक. सो योर ए ऑप्शन इज ICICI बैंक, B is HDFC, C option is Axis Bank, and D option is Samadhan Bank. The right answer is option C, that is Axis Bank. Next question is, inside trading is related to A option is share market, B is horse racing, C option is taxation, and D option is international trade. The right answer is option A, that is inside trading is related to the share market. Next question is, district credit plan is made under A option is the lead bank, B is NABARD, C option is Jila Panchayat, and D option is State Bank of India. The right answer is option A, that is the lead bank. Next question is, the money multiplier in an economy increases with the which one of the following? A option is increase in the cash reserve ratio, B option is increase in the banking habit of the population, C option is increase in the statutory liquidity, and D option is increase in the population of the country. So money multiplier of an economy get increased with increasing in the banking habit of the population. So option B will be the right answer. Next question is, lead bank scheme was started in A option is October 1966, B is October 1999, C option is December 1969, and last option is December 1980. The right answer is option C, that is December 1969. Next question is, which one of the following is not the most likely measures of the government or RBI takes to stop the slide of Indian rupee? A option is curbing imports of non-essential goods and promoting exports. B option is encouraging Indian borrowers to issue rupee-denominated masala bonds. C option is easing condition relating to external commercial borrowing, and D option is following an expansionary monetary policy. The right answer is option D, that is following an expansionary monetary policy. Next question is, which of the following institution is engaged in industrial financing? A option is ICICI, B is IDBI, C option is IFCI, and D option is all of the above. The right answer is option D, that is all of the above. So with this question guys, I end up today's session. I hope that you love the content. So please like the video and stay tuned with this channel because the upcoming session will be on the same topic. So till then, bye bye and take care.